Hey beautiful people, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Subhangi. I know guys, I know that I didn't post literally anything from many days and I just kind of vanished from YouTube. But not anymore. I'm back again. I'm restarting my channel once again, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create this simple and beautiful floral makeup look which is inspired by summer as well as spring. Guys, as you all know that spring is going and summer is coming, so I thought about mixing and matching both the seasons and creating something. So this look came in my mind and boom, here it is. The warm colors like yellow and orange, they depict summer, and the cute little daisies depict spring. Without wasting any further time, let's get started! First things first, not to prime is a crime. So to prime my face, I'm going to use Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. Now, I'm gonna give the primer some time to fill in my pores nicely, and in the meantime, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. Okay guys, so I filled in my brows off camera and now I'm going to color correct my face using Beige HD Spotless Liquid Concealer in the shade 07 Orange Pretzel. I'm just setting the color corrector a little using a very small amount of powder. Now I'm going to use Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation in the shade W320 Warm Caramel. Now I'm going to use Inside Cosmetics Pro Concealer Palette. From this palette, I'm going to choose this shade of concealer and I'm going to use it under my eyes. Now I'm going to brighten up my face using Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer in the shade 04 Medium Beige. Now I'm going to quickly set my concealed areas using Mars Banana Powder. And I'm going to set the rest of the face using Mars Wonder Powder in the shade 04. Now I'm going to bronze my face using Myglamm Pose HD Duo Bronzer. Now for blush, I'm going to use Mars Fantasy Face Palette in the shade 01. I'm going to mix these two shades. Now let's move on to the eyes. First of all, I'm going to create the eye base using the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. I'm going to set my eye base a little bit using some powder. So guys, I've done the eye makeup of the left eye. And now I'm going to do the eye makeup of the right eye. For my eyeshadow today, I'm going to use Splashy Candies palette by Nancy Urgum. First of all, I'm going to take this orange shade in a fluffy blending brush and blend it a little over my crease as a transition shade. Next, I'm taking this brown shade and blend it in my outer corner and a little in my crease. Then I'm going to take this mustard yellow color on my finger and apply it on my lid. Using the Swiss Beauty Pop Eye Styliner in the color Sunrise, I'm applying little dots of it on my eye. Using the 1-on-1 white eyeliner, I'm creating the petals of the daisies. I'm extremely sorry guys, I don't know how my camera went out of focus, but I increased the sharpness and I hope you guys are able to understand what I'm doing. Drawing the petals is very easy. You just need to draw 4 white dots around the yellow dot and boom, you're done. Next, using this Mars eyeliner, I'm just lining my eyes with a thin line and creating a little wing. Now I'm using a white kajal in my waterline. Next, I'm blending this orange and brown shade together in my lower lash line. Now I'm curling my lashes and applying a nice coat of the Mars Fabulash mascara. To highlight my face, I'm going to use the same Mars Fantasy Face palette, and there are only 2 highlighting shades in this palette. I'm going to pick this shade. Now, I'm going to set my full face makeup using Swiss Beauty Natural Makeup Fixer. I've already moisturized and lined my lips with a brown lip liner, and now I'm going to fill in my lips using Faces Canada Weightless Matte Lipstick in the shade 17 Divine Mauve. I'm going to top my lipstick using Swiss Beauty Gloss Me Lip Gloss. Guys, this is a transparent lip gloss and I know it looks pink because I use it regularly and I forget to clean the wand because I'm lazy. But I swear it's transparent. I applied some falsies and floral jewelry to complete the look. So guys, this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. From now on, I'm going to post new videos every Sunday and shorts throughout the week. So make sure to hit the ding ding bell icon so that you never miss an update. Make sure to follow me and my sister on Instagram and do like my Facebook page. Links are in the description box. So that's it for today. See you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, and don't forget that you are beautiful. Love you all. Bye bye.